Kailangan po ba sobrang galing mag-English? Hi, my name is Mary. I post easy to follow daily tasks that you can do to start your freelancing journey. Every day nagpo-post ako ng mga bagong videos sa pwede nyo sundan na some sort of roadmap kung gusto nyo na maging freelancer, virtual assistant, or gusto nyo na mag-work from home gamit ang computer at internet. Today, we are blessed with the presence. With the presence! Because for the next couple of videos that I will be posting, meron tayong kasamang ating, ayan, kinig nyo ba yung blessing natin isa? So, kasama natin ang ating grass-fed, made of 100% virgin material, guilt-free, environmental friendly, raised from stress-free environment, no preservatives or extender added, with ginkgo biloba, ISO supplied, fun intended, ISO certified, COVID vaccinated with complete booster, verified gluten-free, kosher, with live lactobacilli, certified humane and scientifically formulated but no therapeutic claims, personal learning network. Hindi ko na ulitin yung sa kasunod kong video, ha?
Sabihin ko pa naman sana sa lahat ng video.
So, kasama natin ating personal learning network and lahat kami sasagot ng mga questions nyo na kagaya nito. So, kung may question kayo about working from home, comment them here. Going back, tinatanong ni Ace, si paring Ace, kailangan po ba sobrang galing mag-English? Bakit nagsasalamin ka? Let's start with, what do you do? What is your name? And do you think kailangan magaling mag-English?
Hi, so I'm married din and then I am an Amazon VA. Bali, for me, hindi rin ako marunong or hindi ako magaling mag-English. Lagi ko sinasabi na as long as kaya nyo makipag-communicate, kaya nyo explain yung sarili nyo kahit yung basic English, goods na yun. So, huwag nyo na yung-overthink, go na.
Hi, my name is Grace Omar and I'm a PPC specialist. I don't think na it is required na magaling mag-English kasi sa amin, PPC specialist, hindi naman kami nagko-calls. So, ang importante na talaga is marunong ka mag-comprehend. And also, yun lang, kailangan mag-communicate kayo lang ng client mo at saka marunong kayo magsulat ng English.
Okay. Coach, tell us what you do and kailangan po bang sobrang magaling mag-English?
I'm an operations manager for 5 years.
Yeah.
Knowing how to speak English
Is
is not really a requirement. What's really required of you is comprehension, being able to understand, and being able to communicate back. But it doesn't have to be 100% correct English.
Yan. Perfect. JB, kailangan mo lumapit dito. Tell us what you do. Kailangan ba magaling mag-English? Pwede mag-Tagalog ba? Huwag mo silang gayahin. Oo, ngayon na.
Hi, I'm JD. I'm a video editor. So, depende. As long as naintindihan ko.
Nahiya talaga siya. Okay.
Hello, I'm Edina, social media marketer and content marketer. So for me, ang English kasi as long as nagkakaintindihan kayo ni client, okay yun. But if you're a social media manager, you have to really be careful. We have tools naman at our disposal, yung Grammarly, free lang yan. So, huwag kayong kabahan. Just make sure lang na magkaintindihan kayo. Kasi mismo yung mga clients natin, hindi naman sila fluent totally. Sila mismo borok-borok sila. But it doesn't mean na kailangan ganun ka din. Basta lang magkaintindihan kayo.
Ayan. Tell us what you do. Eh, kailangan ba magaling mag-English?
Hi, my name is Albert and I'm a lead specialist at the appointment setting, lead generation. And if you're going to ask me if it's really required to be very fluent in English, I would say no. But you really need to have the drive to learn more and be open to feedback. Because that's when you learn more. It's not really required na kailangan mo English agad na super galing. And you don't really need to have an accent. You do need to have the drive to learn from your experiences.
Ay! Grass-fed tong batang to. Ako, hindi ako magaling mag-English, pero na-develop ko na lang talaga. Di ba, kita nyo naman. Hanggang ngayon, kinokorek ng asawa ko yung grammar ko. Siya yung walking Grammarly ko. Pero hindi ako magaling mag-English. Basta yung sabi nga nila, basta naiintindihan ka ng client mo, depende din sa position mo siguro. Kasi may mga position kagaya ni Abe, talagang required siya na medyo ganon, na medyo naninipa yung accent. Pero goods pa. Tsaka speaking voice pala. Yung tunog ng boses mo. Imagine mo pag kami kausap ka, kumakanta ka sa video, okay na ganyan. Tapos wala tayong video. Anyway, comment any questions you guys have about working from home. Follow for more work from home chismis. Bye!